Hi, I'm Johanna May Senyorin. I have 11 years of working experience, including 3 years focused on medical billing and authorization. Having healthcare experience specifically in insurance flow and a team member for an authorization department, I understand the importance of personalized care and attention to detail, and I am committed to providing the highest level of my service to my clients. I am highly organized, diligent, compassionate, hardworking, and always willing to go above and beyond what is asked of me. My passion for healthcare and technology has led me to pursue a career as a virtual assistant. I understand navigating the healthcare system can be daunting, but I am committed to using my skills and knowledge to make the process easier for patients and healthcare providers. With my unique skill set and experience, I am confident that I can support your healthcare practice exceptionally, whether it may be handling referrals or authorizations, claim processing, data tracking, customer support, patient record handling, and managing administrative tasks or electronic health records. I am committed to providing timely and accurate results. I am the perfect candidate if you are looking for a healthcare professional who is reliable, trustworthy, and always willing to learn. Thank you for your time, and I look forward for the opportunity to work with you and contribute to the success of the company.